Okay, so let's start from the version control system configuration. First step is to generating the SSH keys for our own account. I recommend to create for each project own key. That will simplify the project management a lot in the future. So, and allows to keep things a little more simple. So let's start from the SSH key generation. I open the terminal in just created user Bob, and this is empty user, and we're generating for it the new SSH key. Okay, the tool suggests us the default name for the key, and I highly recommend to change it to something more descriptive. In our case, for example, we will work on their homemade project, so let's name it properly. So ID RSSA GitHub homemade. The next question from the tool is a passphrase, and I highly recommend to keep it empty. This is one of the way how to simplify automation. So you don't need to enter the password during the loading of the key. So just leave it empty, hit enter again, and we have just generated key. So let's check that the keys are generated properly. We're executing the command, and if you see, we have a public and private keys. So the next important thing is to change access permission to our RSSA key, and for that I'm executing this special command, which is telling to leave only read permission for user, and for owner and group leave nothing. And if you see here, we have read only, and before it was read write. So this is the most important from security reasons. Okay, now we need to make this SSH key automatically loaded. For that I'm executing Midnight Commander editor, but you can use any editor you like. It doesn't matter a lot. Okay, so we're executing the command ssh-add with a special key, minus key, capital key, very important to keep it capital. This tells that we want to load this key in the keychain and keep it in a keychain. So that's it. We're saving the configuration file. Exit from editor. Okay, and now we need to test that our key is loaded properly. So, for example, you can see right now that this is my developer environment, and I automatically load the keys for my different projects. Okay, let's switch to the user Bob. Okay, fire, and we see that a specific key was just added, loaded in their terminal run. So configuration is done. If you see here, it's no questions from the operating system, the key is automatically loaded, and we are ready immediately to execute GIT command and access the cloud repository. Okay, let's go to the next step.